Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by signing into iCloud on your device. Enter your Apple ID and password and complete two-factor authentication when prompted. This protects your data. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi is active and the device is charging or above 20% battery to avoid interruptions. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud to access settings. You're now in the right place to select which apps and data sync, so keep reading to enable backups and choose storage options. Now configure exactly what iCloud protects and stores for you. Toggle individual app syncing, photos, contacts, notes, so only desired data uses your iCloud space. Next, review storage settings to see current usage. Upgrade your plan if you need more space. Then enable iCloud Backup and tap Backup Now to create an initial snapshot. This saves device settings, app data, and home screen layout. Make sure to keep backups on a regular schedule so you can restore quickly if needed. Finish by learning how to restore and share content. To restore, choose Restore from iCloud Backup when setting up a new or erased device. Select the correct backup and wait for apps and media to download. Use family sharing to share storage, purchases, and subscriptions with relatives. If syncing or backups fail, first sign out of iCloud and sign back in, ensure Wi-Fi is stable, and check Apple system status for outages. If problems persist, contact Apple support for account-level issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.